Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by opening Figma and creating a new file. Name it clearly, perhaps Project X Moodboard. Before adding anything, take a moment to define your project's main theme and what you hope to achieve. This clarity will guide your selections. Begin collecting a variety of images, colors, and text that resonate with your initial vision. Now, let's bring your collected assets into Figma. Simply drag and drop images from your desktop directly onto the canvas. For better organization, use frames to group similar items, like a color palette or typography examples. Arrange these elements thoughtfully to establish a clear visual flow and hierarchy, making your mood board easy to understand. Beyond images, text is crucial for conveying mood. Add text blocks for keywords, inspiring quotes, or brief descriptions of your design intent. Utilize Figma's eyedropper tool to extract colors directly from your images, creating a cohesive color palette. Don't forget to experiment with various font pairings and sizes to enhance the overall aesthetic. With your mood board taking shape, it's time for refinement. Step back and review everything for consistency and clarity. Don't hesitate to remove any elements that feel out of place or don't contribute to your core vision. Finally, share your mood board with team members or clients to gather valuable feedback, ensuring everyone is aligned.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.